Hello everyone, I hope you all fine. From today, only prepare lasagna like this. Start by adding 1 drizzle of olive oil, 500 grams of ground beef. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 generous pinch of black pepper, 1 pinch of oregano. Add 500 grams of tomato sauce. In another skillet, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Gradually pour in 1 liter of milk. Season with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 pinch of nutmeg. In a medium oven-proof dish, add 2 ladles of the white sauce. Add 2 packets of instant noodles cut in half. Pour in half of the red sauce, 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Top it with the white sauce. Add 2 more packets of instant noodles, the rest of the red sauce. Sprinkle another 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Take to a preheated oven and that recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. Thank you for sharing this recipe. See you.